Hello friends, welcome again to the world of maths by Amiya. So I posted 2 questions, better 4 questions in almost all the social platform like Facebook, WhatsApp, YouTube. Most of them solve this question correctly, but ज़्यादातर जनता questions इसे गलत solve की थी, but maximum people solved it wrong. Okay, so the question is in front of you. Find the number of zeros at the end of 73 factorial plus 74 factorial, and we have 3 questions under 20th number series question. Okay, so I would say if you have not solved this question yet, please pause the video and try to solve the question. I think you have paused and question solve कर दिया होगा. So let's check the concept first. Whenever we want number of zeros at the end, what it means? So we have in general 2 applications of maths. One is the product application, one is the summation application. If I say 3 into 4 into 5 into 25, number of zeros. So if we have the product application, number of zero depends upon the power of 2 and the power of 5. In general, we know factorial is a product application, so we count the power of 2 and power of 5. But in factorial, you take any factorial, the power of 2 or the number of 2's are more than the number of 5's. So we say just check for the 5 and get the answer अगर वो product application होता है तो, if it's product application then. But if I say how many zeros we get in the summation of these numbers, so we can say when we have the summation equation, we need to add the values. So it's all depends upon the unit digit, last 2 digits. So it depends on the end digits or the trailing digits. So we can say 0 0 7 3 gives us 0, 1 carry, then 3 and 4. So we have 2 zeros. So in the product equation or the product application, we have to check the power of 5. In the summation, we have to check the unit digit or the last few digits to get the end zeros. Okay, so on the basis of these 2 applications, let's solve our question. Question is 73 factorial plus. So this one is a product, this one is a summation, both amalgamation of both. So first of all, we'll take the 73 out. 73 out, so we get nothing but 1 plus 74. So this becomes nothing but 73 factorial and the 75 factorial. So in the complete, because it's a product, we have to check the 5. In 73 factorial, how we can check the 5? We divide by 5. This one is nothing but 14. Then 14 divided by 5. This one is nothing but 2. So we have nothing but total 16 5 in this one. This one is 5 16. Here we have 25 5 square. We could have some other primes too. Our main role is to find the number of 5. So in this we have 5 raised to power 18 and lot of 2's. So we can say we have 18 trailing zeros in this mathematical calculation. How comes? First take the 73 common and work on the bracket part. In the bracket part, if you are getting any 5, include that in the product, else the number of zeros depend upon the factorial outs. Okay. Same happens here. If we take the 123 out, we'll get nothing but 1 plus 124. This one is nothing but 123 factorial into 125. How can we solve the 123 factorial for the 5? Again same, the successive division method. So this one is nothing but 24 because 5 120. Then 24 divided by 5 is nothing but 4. 4 won't divide, so it's nothing but 28. So it's 28. So in 123 factorial we have 5 raised to 28, and then in the 125 that we have nothing but 5 cube. So total is the 5 raised to power 31. So we have 31 5's in this mathematical application, and we have a lot of 2's. So number of zeros is nothing but 31, which one is nothing but the power of 5. Do the same. Take the 100 factorial out. 100 factorial out. We left with the 1 plus 100 factorial. If we go this one is nothing but 1 into 1 into 100 factorial. So we left with 101 plus 102 is nothing but 101 into 102, and 103 is nothing but 101 into 102 into 103. We need to check how many 5's in the bracket, because here we know by the mathematical calculation 5 raised to power 24, that is 20 and 4. So now we need to check how many 5 in this one. So first, either you can do the manual calculation or you can just divide by the 5 and get the remainder. If we divide by the 5, we get the remainder 1. We get the remainder 1. Here we get the remainder 1 into 2. Here we get the remainder is nothing but 1 into 2 into 3. So total is nothing but 6 and 10. 10 means we are getting one extra 0 or extra 5. So we have 24, 5 and extra 5 in the product. So we can say in the total application we have 5 raised to power 25. But be careful, we just check with the 5. Do we have 25 in this or not? आपको चेक करना होगा बचे हुए रिमेनिंग ब्रैकेट में क्या ओनली 5 है या 25 है। तो 25 के लिए भी आपको सेम 25 से डिवाइड करना होगा। बट अगर आप 25 से डिवाइड भी करते हो तो आपके पास 10 ही बचता है, मीन्स 25 से ये डिवाइड नहीं हो रहा है, दो इट इज डिवाइड बाई 5 बट नॉट डिवाइड बाई 25। सो वी से वी हैव ओनली 1 5 इन दिस ब्रैकेट। मैं फिर से रिपीट करता हूँ, मेनी टाइम्स इन अ क्वेश्चन सेटर्स आस्क अ क्वेश्चन जहां पे ब्रैकेट में 25 का मल्टीपल भी बनता है इन द समेशन। वी कैन से द नंबर ऑफ ट्रेलिंग जीरोज इज नथिंग बट 25 because it has 5 raised to power 25, 24 here and the 1 5 in the bracket. Same is here, no, it is not the same. This one is only calculation. So 5 raised to power 4 factorial is nothing but 5 raised to power 20. Here it's nothing but 5 raised to power 24, and we know in the 100 factorial 2 raised to power 97. By the manual calculation 50, 25 अगर आप calculate करो तो so total number of 5 is nothing but 5 raised to power 48 and 2 raised to power 97. I did 97, how comes 100 divided by 2, then 2 and so on and the summation, and I know this is the value. So the total number of zeros at the end is nothing but 48. So the learning of this concept is do not think only 73 is going to impact the number of zeros. Only 73 number of zeros को impact नहीं करता है। आपके पास अंदर ब्रैकेट में जो बचा है आपको उसे भी काम करना होगा क्वेश्चन को सॉल्व करने के लिए। यू मस्ट नो ऑल दीज थिंग्स बिफोर एग्जामिनेशन। If you want to learn all the concept, I would say we are going to start our next batch for the CAT, separate CAT, only for the CAT in the June 10th, separate batch for the SSC on the 10th, and the separate batch for the IBPS is in the June end. Okay, so we are going to start 3 batches for the classrooms, and all 3 would be a separate, no combination of SSC with any other courses, no combination of banking with any other courses, no combination of CAT with any other courses. So these 3 are the 3 different courses run by me, target the different exams with a lot of practice questions so that you can give your best and get the best from the examination. God bless you, happy learning, and bye bye.